Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how to enable Telegram sensitive content on mobile. So if you go to Telegram, then there is no option like this. So what you have to do is go into Google Chrome actually and then search for web.telegram.org and then press enter, and it will bring you to a page like this where you have to basically log in into your Telegram. And then once you press on next, it will bring you to your Telegram. Now what you have to do is tap on the three dots at the top, and from there click on settings, and then you'll see privacy and security, so tap on that one. Now scroll down until you see sensitive content and disable filtering. Now if you turn this on, what will happen is that you will see the sensitive content, but if you turn this off, then the sensitive content will not be disabled. So this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.